California Governor Jerry Brown signed into law the California Consumer Privacy Act of 2018 on June 28, 2018. This first-of-its-kind U.S. privacy law will give California residents new online privacy protections and will dramatically impact how companies handle their data. Much like the EU's GDPR, businesses across the U.S. and around the globe will need to assess how they collect, process, and share California resident personal data. The new act goes into effect on January 1st, 2020, and while we expect requirements may change and new guidance will come, here's a breakdown of a few of the elements of the new act. Right to access. A consumer has the right to access the data a company has on them. A business must inform a consumer the purposes of the data they're collecting, and businesses must provide this information to a consumer upon request. Right to deletion. Consumers have the right to request the deletion of their personal data. Right of disclosure. Consumers have the right to request that a business that sells the consumer's personal information or that discloses it for a business purpose disclose that to the consumer. Now consumers have the right to know if their data is being sold and for what purpose. Right to opt out. Consumers can ask the business not to sell their personal data and opt out of these purposes. As the leader in privacy management technology, OneTrust is committed to integrating the new California Consumer Privacy Act into the OneTrust Privacy Management and Marketing Compliance Suite. For instance, OneTrust Assessment Automation and Data Mapping can help you understand where personal data exists across the business, which is key in exercising consumers' rights to access, deletion, and disclosure. The OneTrust Data Subject Rights Management Portal automates the intake, processing, and completion of these consumer requests. OneTrust Vendor Management helps you manage compliance across vendors to track the categories of personal data processed or sold. OneTrust Consent Management can track consent provided by the consumer and allow the consumer to opt out of the sale of their personal data at any time using the Do Not Sell My Personal Information link. While we anticipate that changes and guidance for the California Consumer Privacy Act are likely to come, OneTrust will continue to update you on the latest news and develop our solutions to assist in the compliance of this and other global privacy regulations. With the most comprehensive technology backed by deep privacy research, a globally available services team, and the large Privacy Connect user community, OneTrust is working with customers to automate and operationalize their privacy programs for the California Privacy Protection Act, the GDPR, and other privacy regulations across the globe. If you want to learn more about the California Consumer Privacy Act of 2018, register for our upcoming webinars.